LLC a pass-through entity?
An LLC can be a pass-through entity. So this is good. This will kind of transition the conversation into something different. But so an LLC, a limited liability company, is mainly related to the limiting your liability from a legal standpoint. An LLC can be all three. LLC could be a corporation, a C corporation, like a Qualcomm is probably a C corporation, or an Apple. Um, it could be a partnership, or it could be an S corp. LLC could effectively be whatever you want it to be by election that you make. It also could be a disregarded entity. You own it 100%, and that's called a single member LLC.
Mm-hmm.
The LLC designation and the purpose of them is to limit your exposure or risk if something bad were to happen within you doing business. So the LLC is something that you create to, yes, it has tax advantages once you decide what type of entity you want to be. So for instance, Alan and myself created an LLC incorporated in Virginia. So that incorporation in Virginia, first, all it does is limit my exposure if I mess up on a client or, break my fiduciary duty, whatever that is. I limit my liability. If somebody were to sue us, they're only able to sue or, get whatever's in the business and nothing to me personally or Alan personally. That's the theory. But we chose to be taxed as a partnership. We could have chosen to be taxed as an S corp. We could have chosen to be taxed as a C corp. So simply having an LLC does not necessarily mean you have a business structure. There's one or two more steps to then get into the structure you want.